Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be making a wooden picture frame from an elm tree with plexiglass. Taking some measurements. This is the back support for the picture. And this would be the plexiglass. I don't know if you can see it, but there are many holes from the woodworm from the side of the plank, and I will be taking care of these later on in this video. Now I'm cutting the slab for the frame. Now I'm adjusting the table saw to make 45-degree angle cuts of these parts. And now some quick thickening of the parts. I was lucky, the frame parts came together just fine. Now I will be cutting grooves for the back support of the picture, so I'm taking some measurements and setting up the router. The back support fits there just perfectly. Now I want to try to brush the wood surface with a nylon brush to get the more structured surface. Gluing the parts together. And securing them tightly together. When the wood is dry, it's time to a little bit of sanding. In the middle of this project, I decided to bevel the edges of the frame. I believed it would look better with it, but you can judge it at the end of it. Making the bevel also on the inside. And finally, I'm getting to the wormholes. First I need to blow them over to clear any sawdust they left. And then I will use the wood filler to fill all the holes. I am trying to mix the two colors to get as close as possible to the color of the wood. Maybe you couldn't see it before, but now you can see there are many holes from the woodworm. After filling them all, I will brush the surface flush. Now it is time to mount the holder for the screw on the wall. As a final step, I will use a natural oil as a finish in 2 layers. I'm going to secure the back support with 4 nails. I will hammer them in the gaps between the back support and the frame and bend them 90 degrees. Now I'm going to peel off the protective cover of the plexiglass. Now I can finally insert a picture and the project will be finished. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and liked the final product. You can also like and subscribe. You can check my other videos where I create some other things from wood. And I will see you next time.